Atlanta, Georgia, the wait is over. Revival has arrived.
Say, are you ready? You are leading sound of revival to your next level. Are you ready to go? On your mark, guys. Let us go. Somebody move on.
Something is stirring in Atlanta, Georgia. Today, August 20th, believers gather for the Sound of Revival USA Apostolic Conference 2026. A gathering with one cry, for revival. Hosted by Koinonia USA, this powerful encounter brings together voices including Apostle Joshua Selman, Nathaniel Bassey, and John Wilds, as hearts unite in worship, prayer, and a hunger for the presence of God. And this is only the beginning. From August 20th through the 23rd, the Georgia International Convention Center becomes a meeting place for people coming with expectation, believing God for transformation, awakening and a fresh move of His Spirit. The theme comes from Ezekiel 37:10, a reminder that when the breath of God enters, what once seemed lifeless can rise again. Atlanta, the sound is here, the gathering has begun. Could this be another moment of revival for this generation? The Sound of Revival 2026 is happening now. Stay connected with Walk the Talk TV as we follow the moments, testimonies, and stories emerging from this gathering.